When I was a boy, I listened to my grandfather's stories. Stories of rolling hills and of mountains high, and of the rivers that flowed, and the taste of the salty sea. I listened to his stories of the land of my fathers, the land of song, of daffodil fields, and of men who were strong. And I wanted to be there. I wanted to go there. But I ran upstairs, and I'd pull out the encyclopedia marked W, and I'd quickly thumb through the pages to the ones featuring whales. 2 paragraphs is all I had, but I memorized every word. I cherished everything I read. In my early 20s, I went to a Celtic festival, and I met a lady who was selling Celtic knots, and I bought one that was from Cardigan, where my family is from. And I wore it proudly for over 20 years. When my wife and I were engaged, I gave her a Welsh spoon symbolizing provision, love, and comfort. And as my daughter got older, I would share with her the same stories that my grandfather shared with me. And as I showed her and introduced her to Welsh music, her interest grew, and I presented her with that Celtic knot that she wears proudly now. And then came the call that changed everything for me. There is a stirring within me. It's pulling at my feet. Come to me, old man. Walk to the sea. I want to go there, and I'm going to be there. God willing, soon enough, I'll be in the land of my fathers, Wales, Cymru.